technical analysis of Dogecoin cryptocurrency, and we're currently at an inflection point as of now. We've got this primary trend line off the March lows here off the daily, each kind of representing a day here, and we have slowly made higher lows and higher highs here. So again, we're sort of in an uptrend. We have this primary downtrend line off the May highs of 2021 of last year. Plenty of reaction to validate with the secondary downtrend line as well. We broke out of all of them. I had a third one out too. Broke out of all of them. Everything's all in the clear. Came back out, back tested that primary downtrend line, came back up, and here we are. Key inflection point, and I believe a solid break below that 40, that 0.143209 would issue a sell signal, in my opinion, depending on how big the red close is. But as of now, everything looks sort of bullish here. We've got MACDs a little bit above their zero lines, hovering above their zero lines, and two indicators off the MACD and oscillator. So, you know, in the meantime, even though despite all the massive volatility, here we are at a key inflection point, and these are some targets I laid out if you're bullish. Huge resistance up on that 166.720. And you know, there's plenty of reaction because there's also a trading range that we've got to go and coincide, and we'll probably coincide at that moment in time with the 200-day moving average, probably again acting as dual resistance. And if we can get back up in this trading range, it'll be really bullish, and try to, you know, hit some of these targets. As of now, you know, you got to you know, set some stops below for a 5.52% stop loss. You want to widen these stops here because cryptocurrency is so volatile in both directions. And so first target here for a 11.5% rally. I'm sorry, 12%. Down to up to rally up to 1936.08 for a 29.41% rally. 232.018 for a 55% rally. 26.8358 would be my next target for 80.38% rally there. So huge risk reward ratios when you talk about being bullish. Down in the near term charts here, this is the 4-hour chart. 4-hour time frame, each kind of representing 4 hours, and we slightly broke down below this, back tested for, you know, almost 2-3 days here, and we broke right back above it. I do have a minor downtrend line here off the 4-hour here, off the 4-hour highs. We do look like we're starting to build up some bullish divergences. We need to see a break above its MACD zero line and the oscillator as well, and, you know, again, a break above this minor downtrend line I think would also come with some more shorts being squeezed out. Again, here's some key targets that I laid out here, and I believe a break of that 1455.08 would set an objective entry for some shorts. I want to say that this looks the most bearish of all time frames when it comes to divergences that are coming the other way, in the opposite way, negatively. And 4-hour would spell for a bearish case scenario. Down to the 60-minute chart, kind of representing an hour here, and again, kind of looks the same here, but we have beautiful bullish divergences on all three indicators, with starting to cross over its zero line on both the MACD and oscillator. So we'll see if we can get that. We got that 200 hourly moving average that we just currently broke above. Again, you can set some stops below this key 1427.53 for some stop losses, and try to gun for these targets that I had mentioned here. So see how it plays out, and or not. Wait for a break of that 143.209 to start scaling in on some shorts.